are you all today? What we're gonna do today is a 3-step smoky eyes. So I've already prepped up my face. I've used my Plum Mist and I've used my Nivea moisturizer and I've let it set for 5 minutes. And now we have to begin by concealing our problem area. The product I'm going to use today is LA Girl Pro Conceal. It is in the shade Peach Corrector. Now this is something that I could find closest to the one that I would prefer to cover my eyes. Let's see how it works. Again, I'm going to take it at the back of my hand. Just a little bit of product and put it. If you do not have a lot of dark circles and do not have problem eyes, you can absolutely skip this step. Once we have covered both the eyes, I'm going to quickly blend it with my beauty blender. What we're gonna do now is that we have blended all the corrector into our skin. We are going to set it with a loose powder so that it doesn't get mixed with the foundation. I'm gonna simply take my Fit Me loose powder onto something like this. I got this with one of the compact and just push. Once we have pushed this into our skin, we need to wait for 2 minutes for it to settle it, and post that we can do a foundation. Now that we have taken enough time for the corrector and the loose powder to blend it and to set it onto our skin, we are going to do a foundation. The foundation that I'm going to use today is from Yves Rocher. That's the foundation, and I'm just going to put it again at the back of my hand. Something like this, and put dots all over my face and my neck. Now that we have dotted our face, I'm going to again blend it with my beauty blender. Now that I have blended my foundation with the beauty blender, I'm going to quickly do my brows and come back. Done my brows and I have primed my eyes using this Maybelline Age Refined Concealer. It's easily available online or even at the outlets of Maybelline. And now we are going to do our smoky eyes. So the first thing that we are going to take is this gel liner from Maybelline, and we're simply gonna line our eyes. Now this eyeliner comes with this sort of an applicator. It's a brush applicator. So all we need to do is just put in a little bit of gel liner onto our eyelids. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of product and just start lining my eyes. It's okay if it is not lined properly because you're gonna smudge it anyway. Now that I have put the liner on my lids, I'm just gonna start spreading in just same way we do it on the other side. Once we're done with this, we are gonna just dab a little black eyeshadow onto this to keep it in place and it shouldn't move. The black eyeshadow that I'm going to use is from Oriflame. This is sort of a small eyeshadow palette that I have from Oriflame, and this black color is not jet black. That one I'm going to use. Just going to take a little bit of color with the same brush and just dab. Same thing we're gonna do on our lower lash line. Just gonna take the same black and simply I'll outline our line. And join it at the end. Two steps. We're done with the gel, we're done with the eyeshadow, and the last step. So the last step is not to make it look very stark. We're just gonna blend a little bit of dark brown onto it, and so that it looks very seamless. That's the brown I'm gonna use. This is from the Revolution palette, and I'm just gonna take a little bit of brown again with the flat brush, and just gonna start blending it. And lastly, we will just blend with that blending brush. So how you need to blend is you need to just take your blending brush, put it right here between the brown and the black, and just start mixing. So the brown becomes lighter and it will seamlessly blend it with the black. Same with the other eye. Just put your blending brush right here and start blending it. So now this is done. Next up, what we are going to do is we're just to sharpen the edges so that whatever fallouts we have, it just gets hidden. And for that, we are going to use this concealer back with an applicator. So I have this sort of an applicator. This is from Colorbar. I'm just going to take it on the tips like this and just correct it. And now we'll blend it with our blender. Towards the edges, it's recommended to use either something which is very sharp. I prefer my fingers so I can control it and give it a nice shape that I would like. So we're done with the smoky eyes. Now what we're going to do is the brown shade that we took, we're just going to put it right under our eyes along with the black and make it look one. So we're taking the brown shade again and just putting it right here. Next step, I'm going to curl my eyes, and for that I have this curler. The mascara that I'm going to use is from Maybelline, the Hyper Curl Curl. It comes with this cute little cover. It's not one of the best mascaras I've used, nonetheless, we'll make it work. Done with the mascara, we are going to do something new today. We are going to contour our face. So the contour palette that I'm going to use today is this from Wet n Wild Loose Deluge, and it comes with this contour color and this sort of a banana powder which you can use even to set your makeup or use to highlight certain features. What I'm going to do first, I'm just going to pick up this. Something like this. It's an angled brush, just dust off extra. Now because I have a round face, what I'm going to simply do is from my yours till this angle, till my eye. I am going to contour till here. The easier way to do this is, you see that? It should be in sync with the dent that you get on your face. That's the cue. And we're gonna do it on the forehead, on the outside. Jawline. So this defines your features. And now I'm just gonna blend everything out. Okay, so now that you're done with the blending, the next step is the blush. The blush that I'm going to use today is again from Flormar, and I'm not going to do a very pinky look today. I have something like this, a brown shade, a very neutral brown, which I'm going to use it for my blush. So now we have our blush on, we have our contour on. It just defines your jawline, if you see. And now we are going to do a highlighter. Today I'm going to try using this flat fan brush for the highlight, and the highlighter I'm going to use is my favorite one, the Molten Rose Gold from Maybelline Master Chrome. I'm just going to push, here to get some highlight. I'm just going to place it on the high points of my face. Along with this, I'm also going to contour a little bit of my nose so that my highlighter pops. I'm going to use something like this, a brush, to contour my nose, and the way I'm going to do it is just take a little bit of contour from here right up to here. You draw a line. Same way, from here right up to here, you draw a line. Draw a line across and just blend. Now that we're done with most of the makeup, the remaining part is our lipstick. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this lip liner from LA Colors. This is a brown shade. Just gonna line my lips. It's 1 or 2 tones darker than the lipstick that I'm gonna use. And just sparsely fill in my lips. And the lipstick that I'm gonna use is also from Wet n Wild. It's called Gimme Mocha. It's one of their best-selling shades. It's a liquid matte lipstick. Just gonna do a V. And outline. Now I'm simply filling in my lips. Okay, so we're done here. And just last thing that is pending is our setting spray. Just fan it. So that's our whole look with smoky eyes. And you can also curl your hair a bit to give it a more impact. You can also use a red lipstick if you wish, but I prefer a nuder shade so that just goes with the whole look. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.